The question says the expression sine 3 theta plus sine 5 theta plus sine 7 theta plus sine 9 theta divided by cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta plus cos 9 theta is equal to. So this is a question of trigonometric ratios and identities. Let us start the question. So write sine 3 theta plus sine 9 theta and bring sine 5 theta and sine 7 theta together. Similarly, in the denominator, cos 3 theta plus cos 9 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta. As you can see in the numerator and denominator, in the numerator we can use the formula of sine A plus sine B, which is 2 sine A plus B by 2, 3 theta plus 9 theta by 2 into cos A minus B by 2, 3 theta minus 9 theta by 2. Plus similarly for sine 5 theta plus 7 theta we will use the formula of sine A plus sine B, which is 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. 2 sine 5 theta plus 7 theta by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. 5 theta minus 7 theta by 2. Alright. So in the next step this will become sine 3 theta plus 9 theta is 12 theta by 2. So sine 6 theta into cos 3 theta minus 9 theta 6 theta by 2 cos 3 theta. As we know, cos minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. So this will become cos minus 3 theta will become plus cos 3 theta. Divided by the denominator term will remain as it is, right? So you can write it plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta. Alright. So in the next step we will simplify the numerator. Plus 2 sine 5 theta plus 7 theta is 12 by 2. Sine 6 theta into cos 5 theta minus 7 theta by 2, which is 2 theta by 2 minus 2 theta by 2 is plus theta. Divided by, in the denominator we will use the formula of cos A plus cos B, which is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Similarly for cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta, 2 cos 5 theta plus 7 theta by 2 into cos 5 theta minus 7 theta by 2. Alright. So let us simplify this, which will be 2 sine 6 theta into cos 3 theta plus 2 sine 6 theta into cos theta by 2 cos 12 theta by 2 cos 6 theta into cos 9 theta minus 3 theta minus 9 theta minus 6 theta by 2, so 3 theta, right? And anyways cos minus theta is plus theta, so this will become plus cos 3 theta into 2 cos 5 plus 7 theta is 12 theta by 2 cos 6 theta into cos 5 theta minus 7 theta by 2, which is minus 2 theta by 2, which will become plus theta. Okay. So in the next step we will write it as taking 2 sine 6 theta common in the numerator. and 2 cos 6 theta common in the denominator, we can write it as cos 3 theta. So in the remaining inside the bracket there will be cos 3 theta plus cos theta. Similarly here again cos 3 theta plus cos theta will remain inside the bracket. So this will get cancelled and 2 and 2 will also get cancelled. So finally we will get sin 6 theta by cos 6 theta, which can be written as tan 6 theta. So your answer is tan 6 theta.